Good evening, friends. In this series of competitive English, we are going to do today competitive English day 17. But before we start, actually, this series is meant for competitive aspirant, but it doesn't mean that it is not meant for the school students, for the learners, for the junior kids. It is meant for everybody. See, the grammar is such a portion which is meant for everyone, and it is equally important. Why I am saying, because see what happens as you are practicing maths every day. If you stop practicing 1 day or 2 day, you will start forgetting the formula, you will start forgetting the process and methodology. In the similar way, English language is completely based on the methodology. There is a systematic way of learning. The grammatical items have to be practiced every day, and more than anything, they should be used frequently in day-to-day conversation, and the people should be encouraged to speak and use the grammatical item they have learned. So I would advise all my aspirants, the competitive aspirants, that while they are appearing at the competitive exam, they may come across such errors, and they will attempt the question with confidence. But at the same time, while they are sitting and talking to their friends and have a common conversation with their colleagues, they should also use these grammatical items with perfection, so that they will gain confidence. The very first question is: there were a number of intelligent gentlemen at the party, but it was Mr. Subramanian, an eminent scientist, who remained a center of attraction. I repeat the sentence. There were there were a number of intelligent gentlemen at the party, but it was Mr. Subramaniam, an eminent scientist, who remained a center of attraction. Obviously, the error is a. In place of a center of attraction, we have to write the center of attraction. Subramaniam Swami was the center of attraction. Why? You ask why? Why, sir? Why not a? We are specifying one gentleman who was the center of attraction. Who was that gentleman? Subramaniam Swami. So when you are specifying a particular person or a particular thing or a particular place, you have to write the article before it. Therefore, the right answer will be: there were a number of intelligent gentlemen at the party, but it was Mr. Subramaniam, an eminent scientist, who remained the center of attraction. In place of a, it will be the center of attraction. Now we are attempting the second question. The two men struck one another. Look at that. Whenever you are using two persons or two things or two persons in reference, you are going to use each other. And when you are using more than two, use one another. So here the incorrect word is one another. It's better to write each other. The two men struck each other. So one another will be used for more than two persons in reference, and each other will be used for two. For example, the two friends fought with each other. दोनों दोस्त आपस में लड़ रहे थे. तो you will say that the two friends, the two brothers fought with each other. We will never say one another. दो के साथ में each other का use होगा. When you are referring to more than two person, use one another. For example, all the Indians, love one another. All of the Indians, all of us, the Indians, love one another. All of the citizens of our country love one another. Why I am using one another? Because we all Indians are 135 crore Indians, more than two, and therefore whenever we are referring to more than two, we'll use one another. Third question. They loved themselves so much so that they thought of no one else. Now they loved, themselves. Themselves it is written. Actually, they is a plural pronoun. Therefore, the plural pronoun has a reflexive pronoun themselves. So themselves will be replaced by themselves. THEMSELVS. Always use the plural form of the reflexive pronoun, like we ourselves, you yourself, they themselves, he himself. So here it will be, the right answer will be, they they loved themselves so much so that they thought of no one else. Themselves, Themselves, the plural form of the plural reflexive form of the pronoun they is themselves. Themselves. उसी तरह से अगर वी रहता, वी ऑल लव्ड आवर सेल्व्स, आर सेल्फ होता, OURSELVS, उसमें आर सेल्फ नहीं होगा, प्लूरल फॉर्म ही यूज होगा क्योंकि वी प्लूरल है. आफ्टर ऑल, देखिए देर इज ए नाइस वर्ड आफ्टर ऑल, हिंदी में हम लोग बोलते हैं अंततो गत्वा, लेकिन उसका जो दूसरा इंग्लिश मीनिंग है डिस्पाइट व्हाट हैज बीन सेड और एक्सपेक्टेड, जो कुछ कहा जा चुका है उसके अलावा, आफ्टर ऑल. तो यू कैन से दैट आफ्टर ऑल यू आर माई फ्रेंड, आई विल sacrifice my one day to explain the matter once again. After all, you are my friend. Yes, you have done something wrong. After all, you are my friend. After all, you are my. I will forgive you. I will forgive you. Then there is another proverb, somewhat, to some degree. That is what we call somewhat. Yes, somewhat we are thinking of recovering the loss by working, 2 times a day. Yeah, somewhat we are trying to recover the loss by working 2 times a day. All over, everywhere. The pandemic COVID-19 has spread all over the world, and affected all the people all over the world. The pandemic COVID-19 has spread all over the world, everywhere, and it has affected all the people all over the world. Yes, after all, that is there all along. All along means all the time. Yeah, I went on reading the novel all along the afternoon. मैं पूरे 12 बजे दिन में दोपहर में नोवेल पढ़ते रह गया. I went on reading the novel all along the afternoon. All along the afternoon. Little is used in the sense of short for distance. So we can say that a little was expected from him. One and all means everybody. Yeah, good morning to one and all. When you start delivering a speech, always say good morning to one and all. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, hi. Yes, hi to all, one and all. Good morning to one and all. Good evening to one and all. One and all means everybody. The same as is used in the sense of same kind. This is not the same book as I expected. यह वह बुक नहीं है जो मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था. The man who they thought to be a gentleman was a thief. अच्छा, अब यहाँ पर क्या एरर है? What is the error? The man who they thought. Who will be replaced by whom? Ask why? Because here the reference is objective case, not the nominative case. In place of who, it will be it will be whom. Yes, the right answer will be the man whom they thought to be a gentleman was a thief. जिस आदमी को लोगों ने सोचा कि ये जेंटलमैन होगा, बट इनफैक्ट ही वाज ए थीफ. तो यहाँ पर हु की जगह पर क्या देना होगा? whom दे रहा. I'm sorry. The man whom they thought to be a gentleman was a thief. Now let us proceed to some more questions. Yeah, he is the best speaker whom I have ever heard. Yeah, actually, when we are referring to a nominative noun, the pronoun, relative pronoun will also be in the nominative form. We are referring to he. He is the nominative form of the personal pronoun. So how can we write whom? We have to write who. So the right answer is he is the best person who I have ever heard, or that I have ever heard. You can use either who or that. Nominative form of yes, who is who itself, and objective form is whom. As we are using he, the nominative pronoun, and therefore the relative nominative pronoun will also be in the nominative form. So whom का nominative form who होगा. The right answer is he is the best speaker who I have ever heard. In place of whom, जैसे आप किसी से बात कर रहे हैं, you are the best person who I have ever met. आप कभी मत बोलिए whom I have ever met. You are the best speaker who I have ever heard. You are the best lecturer who I have ever come across. Come across. Nominative relative pronoun has to be used. Next question. Yes. Who is here who does not love his country? The sentence is correct. Who is here who does not love his country? Everybody loves his country. So there is nothing wrong in this. He saw two men. The one was lame and another was blind. देखिए another की जगह हो जाएगा other. दो में यहाँ कहाँ another का चांस है? दो में तो one and other होगा. The one was lame, the other was blind. He saw two men. The one was lame, एक लंगड़ा था. The other was blind. दो में कहाँ से आएगा another? कहीं सवाल ही नहीं उठता है. इसमें सीधे दीजिए. The one was lame, the other was blind. Another देने का कोई चांस नहीं है. He saw two men. The one was lame and the other was blind. That is the right answer. This course of action is more preferable to the other. Actually, preferable itself is in comparative form. तो इसमें जहाँ prefer आ गया वहाँ पर more लगाने का कोई सवाल नहीं है. Preferable का मतलब होता है you like something more than that. So here preferable is in the sense of liking more than that, and therefore it is already in comparative form. So the right answer is this course of action is preferable to the other. Preferable to the other. Like we can say, talking violence, this man, this man is preferable to that man. This book is preferable to that book. We will not use more preferable. Simply will say this book is preferable to that book. So there is no need of using more with preferable. The correct answer is this course of action is preferable to the other. Shyama is more beautiful than any girl in the class. देखिए comparative form में हमेशा any other plus singular noun या all other plus plural noun का यूज होता है. जैसे अगर सपोज कीजिए कि एक सेंटेंस ले लीजिए that Mumbai is the costliest city in India. मान लीजिए let us say it is in superlative form. Mumbai is the costliest city in India. अगर हम इसको कंपेरेटिव में चेंज करें तो होगा मुंबई इज कॉस्टलियर दैन एनी अदर सिटी इन इंडिया. अगर सिंगुलर फॉर्म में देते हैं, अगर ऑल अदर देना है तो प्लूरल कर दीजिए. मुंबई इज कॉस्टलियर देन ऑल अदर सिटीज इन इंडिया. All other is always followed by a plural pronoun, a plural noun, and any other is followed by a singular noun. तो यहाँ पर देखिए श्यामा is more beautiful. In comparative form it is more beautiful, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. So in comparative form it is more beautiful. Shyama is more beautiful than any other girl in the class. We will use any other with a singular noun and all other with a plural noun. यही चीज को अगर हम दूसरे तरह से लिखें तो ऐसे लिख सकते हैं श्यामा is more beautiful than all other girls in the class. all other के साथ हमेशा plural noun आएगा, any other के साथ singular noun आएगा. It is an interesting magazine with too many good ideas. Actually, to TOO is an adverb and many is an adjective. So it is also qualifying. So how can you use an adverb to qualify an adjective? Actually, an adverb will qualify adjective. So adverb तो adjective के बाद यहाँ use होगा. तो सबसे अच्छी बात है कि यहाँ पर दो एडजेक्टिव एक साथ यूज कर सकते हैं. उसको रिप्लेस करेंगे a lot of में. तो सीधी सी आंसर इट इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग मैगजीन विथ ए लॉट ऑफ गुड आइडियाज. ए लॉट का मीनिंग ही होता है मेनी, और टू मेनी जो होगा एक एग्जैजरेशन हो जाएगा, जो उसमें एडवर्ब भी आ जा रहा है और एडजेक्टिव भी आ जा रहा है. उससे बेहतर है कि सिंगल एडजेक्टिव यूज कीजिए. गुड इटसेल्फ एडजेक्टिव है, उसको क्वालिफाई करने के लिए दूसरा एडजेक्टिव यूज करना जरूरी है, डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. अब यहाँ पर डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव यूज करने के लिए इट इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग मैगजीन विथ ए लॉट ऑफ गुड आइडियाज. ए लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिव सेंस में भी आ जा रहा है. आई हैव फिनिश्ड रीडिंग ऑफ फ्यू बुक्स दैट आई हैड. एक्चुअली ऑफ यू नहीं होगा, द फ्यू होगा। तो यहाँ सेंस नेगेटिव आ रहा है कि जो जितने भी मेरे पास बुक था मैंने सबको पढ़ लिया, यानी आपके पास लिमिटेड बुक थी। इन्यूमरेबल होता तो आपने कभी ऑफ यू देने का कोशिश नहीं करते। तो द बेस्ट आंसर इज आई हैव फिनिश्ड रीडिंग द फ्यू बुक्स दैट आई हैड। आई स्पेंट द फ्यू क्वाइंस ऑफ रुपीज 10 दैट आई हैड। द फ्यू क्वाइंस, आपके पास लिमिटेड क्वाइंस था इसीलिए तो आपने खर्च कर दिया। तो आई हैव स्पेंट द फ्यू क्वाइंस ऑफ रुपीज 10 दैट आई हैड। इसी तरह से आई हैव फिनिश्ड रीडिंग द फ्यू बुक्स दैट आई हैड। यू हैड ए लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ बुक्स, तो यहाँ पर ऑफ यू नहीं होगा, द फ्यू होगा, क्योंकि आप ये बताना चाह रहे हैं कि आपके पास लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ बुक्स था जिसको आपने पढ़ लिया। यू हैव रेड ऑल द बुक्स दैट यू हैड, सो द राइट आंसर इज आई हैव फिनिश्ड रीडिंग the few books that I had. Before we summarize, let me tell some of the things that we have really come across. एक दो चीज है जो हमेशा नोटिस करके रखना है। नंबर वन इज that ki each other is used with two. Whenever we are referring to two persons or two places or two things, we will use each other. Like the two brothers fought with each other. We will never say with one another. One another is always used for more than two. Like we all Indians love one another. Of course, we have unity in diversity. So we can say that irrespective of caste, creed, and religion, we all Indians love one another. Here one another is used because it is more than two. और each other होगा दो के लिए. Second thing that is to be noticed is that in the comparative form, always use any other with a singular noun and all other with a plural noun. That is the second point. And the third point is that the word preferable stands for itself a comparative form of a noun, and therefore it will not be used along with any other comparative. Two comparatives cannot be together. So you can say that this book is preferable to that. और प्रिफरेबल के साथ हमेशा टू लगता है। जैसे आई प्रीफर टी टू कॉफी, मैं चाय लेना पसंद करूंगा कॉफी के बजाय, तो आई प्रीफर टी टू कॉफी। प्रीफर के साथ या प्रीफरेबल के साथ दैन नहीं लगता है। उसी तरह से सुपीरियर, जो ओ आर में एडजेक्टिव एंड होता है उसके साथ दैन नहीं लगता, टू लगता है। जैसे दिस जेंटलमैन इज सुपीरियर टू मी इन एज एंड इन डिग्निटी। That gentleman is superior to me. That boy is junior to this boy, junior to. This book is inferior to that. जितना ओ आर में एंड होने वाला एडजेक्टिव का कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म है उसके साथ दैन नहीं लगेगा, उसके साथ टू लगेगा, टीओ टू। इसी तरह से हमने बोला कि प्रीफरेबल के साथ भी टू ही लगेगा। दिस बुक इज प्रीफरेबल टू दैट, we will not use than with that. And last but not the least, whenever we are talking about the nominative form of a relative pronoun, we will use who, and when we are talking about objective form of a relative pronoun, we will use whom. And that is all about today's discussion. Thank you. I'm sure today's discussions will certainly help all of you in strengthening your grammatical knowledge and make you little bit confident in attempting question in all kinds of exam. What to talk about competitive exam, all sort of exams. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you very much.